best at is knowing that the far majority of people in this room right now have not achieved the success or happiness they're looking for, mainly on the back of the fact that they value their mother or father's opinion too much. The thing that I understand about life is you either listen to your own voice or you listen to somebody else's. The thing that people need to understand more than anything is what is driving their ambition. Why are you doing what you're doing? Are you trying to be successful to prove to people that said you wouldn't? Are you trying to be successful because you love the process? Are you doing it because you want to buy something fancy to show people that you're successful? Why do you do what you're doing? And most of all, for who? I'm living for me. I'm playing this game for me, not for anybody else, and everybody else is playing for somebody else. And that was unbelievably liberating, and I'll be very honest with you, I was very grateful for that. I think a lot of people in this room have to go home tonight and ask themselves who they're playing for. Making your parents proud is usually the first step to disaster. I mean it. I understand that it's an interesting angle to talk about this. It's great to want to make your parents proud, but not at the expense of your happiness. And so I've become unbelievably fascinated with the mindset of why people do stuff and why am I able to work 17 hours a day. I'm able to work 17 hours a day because I love it. Nobody works 17 hours a day because of any other thing because they love it. All the people that try to teach you how to get rich with the least amount of work, they love the money. A lot of people here are here to figure out the secret for the money. You love the money, you value the money. I don't value the money, I value the game.